Let's open our point cloud and try to model small part of a building, but very complicated. It's in here. Let's try to cut it, scale a little bit. Now it's more dense, but let's try to rotate it. Rotate our clipping box to make easy cuts. So this is it. And now let's try to make horizontal cut to define a direction of those lines. Let's see a top view, move it a little bit down, and now from the top, how it looks like. Is it right? Probably. Let's make a simple box to align axis and align axis, or here, here is better. Remove this box. Now we have our section cut, and we can make lines. Let's mirror it. It should be the same, and move to the exact place. Delete. Now let's close it. What do we have? This shape. So we can move a little bit down, and the idea is to create profile. Those profiles, those two and those two, I think those should be the same. Let's find out. Move a little bit down and see from a top view. Let's create offset. It should fit to this and to that. Yes. And another, I think this for window line, we have to keep same direction. Okay, it's just a helping line, nothing more. So let's create one profile. Let's draw it like that, or maybe not to the end. Yes, again here, perpendicular, but more like that and that. So we could remove our unneeded lines. Let's keep it. So we have one profile. We could copy it and make a mirror. We could move it here. Now it looks like it fits. Delete all the lines. Let's make this or that profile. I think it's the same. Let's make a copy and delete everything else. Leave only this one line. It should be rotated by this line. So this, let's rotate horizontally like that. Let's move. It's moved in the right place. And the other side, same thing. Leave only one line. Let's mirror it. This is the other side, and rotate it. I think it should be rotated according that direction. Yes, I got it. It has to be right direction. I think it is. Yes. So we could close it this direction. How to find out this direction? Let's simply delete all the unnecessary lines. Those also. This is also could be deleted. Let's copy same profile but mirrored and move to the corner. Let's delete it and leave on the lines. We have those vertical profiles. Let's see the whole situation. And vertical profiles we have. What else do we need? Those horizontal, I think we should create. But what if create the copy of it profile and rotate a little bit horizontally? because it looks like it's the same, but we'll find out. So can we make a cut of it, and vertical cut from a side view? See how it looks. It's like that. So this whole situation can be moved a little bit down, but it could not disturb us. Okay, which is this side? Okay, let's try to make a copy vertically and rotate it. Rotate it in few ways. By this 90 degrees here. Still don't know if it's right. Let's switch units to centimeters so that we could move it a little bit less. So approximately like that. Only thing we need is to close it and delete all the unneeded things. And we have a vertical profile. Let's move it a little bit. So we need also those direction lines to use follow me to create our horizontal. So what do we have? Make a group and draw on, select those lines and copy into, I need exact place, it's right here. Pick only those lines and copy into this exact place. Let's hide it. Delete, unhide. Now it is at the right place. Rotate it by 90 degrees and move to the end point. Now it is almost there. Well, it has to be alright. Now let's make a bigger cut to see the bigger situation. Okay, let's try to use follow me function of this profile. See if it's good. Looks like those profiles also has to be extruded. But first explode and extrude it. Those two here and the last one here. We have to also move it a little bit down until it's here. Let it be in here. So repeat the same for all the other profiles. We have almost intersect faces with our selection. Remove all unnecessary lines from outside and also inside the same. If we need to have clear model. If not, leave everything as it is, because inside there is also some unnecessary things which could be deleted, removed, like that. See, and now it's getting more clean. If it's not necessary, then don't do it. Yeah, we will leave it just to make overall envelope. This is how it looks from the top. Make a profile above and below this window. I think first of all let's make what is below, because there is a sill and a big profile of this hanging part. Can we make a group of it that it could be not disturbing? Later draw same lines from which we could make follow me of bottom profile. Make a vertical cut. Draw a profile. It's like that. Hide it. And let's see. Here it is. I think let's create like simplified, just principle of drawing. Use arc also, and this is a very complicated profile. We will not go into details, just overall shape. In this situation, I think it's like that. Interpretation, well, go on further. Here, arches, one and another, straight line, also here, again. Not many left, but let's continue. Yeah, let's make a straight, not straight, arc here and there. So keep it straight. Again, arc that. I'm not sure what about that. Let's make it like that. Here should be straight, I think. There's no time to take details. Okay, can we finish here? I think maybe here a little bit more like that, and yeah, it should be finished. Okay, let's make it closed. What's happening now? Side view again. Let's make it like that. So now we have big profile of this below part, bottom part of a building, and we have also direction lines. Same principle. Let's try to use follow me function to see. Okay, here, like that. Don't disturb. Let's copy it to the end point of line, but first rotate horizontally. Where is this line? Can we move it or make a copy of it into that place so that we could know where to put our profile? Rotate again 90 degrees and move to that point, end point. Where is the end point? Here it is. This can be deleted. Let's try to see if it happens. Yep, it happened. Unhide our thing, which we did before. And yes, it looks nice, almost done. The thing is, we need to, I think, intersect those two things so it can be exploded, and let's pick and create intersection of our faces that we could delete all unnecessary lines from outside and see how it fits. It looks normal, looks good here also. So this is the overall part of this building. What's left is inner window, those two and this in the middle, and this top part of a balcony. Yeah, it could be made the same way. Create direction lines, profile, and follow me. Everything is understandable.